I like this result. Like this result is really much aligned to my vision. So now let's understand this, that the Gemini prompt is not that good. We have to think a better way and give a specific instruction to these images. Now let's understand and create another image with the brand example. Let's try to add this one and try to use it in Photoshop. Right now I'm using again a Photoshop, and again this is the image, and I want to increase the size of the image. That is, I'm using a I'm I want to use generative fill for it. Let's try to add this image here, and again fill, generative fill, control D. I'm using again a generative fill here, generative fill. Let's not use any prompt here, simply you have to click the generate here. Yes, it's perfectly okay. Now use generative fill here also. Let's select this one and use generative fill. Generative fill, generate. Now we have perfectly aligned frame here. Now let's try to save this frame, export and save this frame. Beauty Key 3 and save it. You can also experiment out with the different form, so it will give you a different result. It's depend on the variation. Sometimes it's not give the exact result that I got here. It will generate a different result for you, so it doesn't matter. So if you want the exact same result, I can't promise that, but it you will get the similar result, that I can promise. Right now let's try to create another prompt, that is product come on the surface and cap of the product open in the open and zoom into the product surface with cream drop wave, cap of the product open and zoom, camera moves from bottom to up into the product. Let's see what we will get here. In the end, we will use all these video that we have generated into the Premiere Pro and create a perfectly aligned product video. Let's wait for some time again.